Elon Musk's vision for the Tesla Model 2 begins with a radical idea: achieving true affordability not by removing features, but by redesigning the manufacturing system itself, so the car can be built faster, simpler, and cheaper at massive scale. The core problem is not what battery chemistry the vehicle will use, but how many production steps and structural complexities can be deleted altogether. Instead of chasing speculation, the story of Model 2 is rooted in real factory limits: physical constraints, takt time, choke points, accumulated micro-errors, and a hidden operational drag created by hundreds of stamped parts. In a traditional body shop, the underbody is assembled from hundreds of metal sheets, each requiring fixture setups, welds, adhesives, and measurement checks. Even tiny deviations add up until a line must slow down to correct alignment, add buffer zones, or expand the number of robots and stations just to keep pace. As long as the structure depends on hundreds of small components, speeding up robots barely helps because the bottleneck remains baked into the architecture. Real gains only appear when the part count shrinks dramatically. Tesla proved this in the Model Y, when a single large rear casting replaced about 70 components, deleting welds, distortion problems, measurement depth rework, and downtime in one stroke. Model 2 pushes this idea even further by collapsing major sections of the underbody into a few highly integrated castings, so the factory no longer has to manage alignment across hundreds of interfaces. Simplifying the structure simplifies the line. Fewer parts create fewer stations create fewer stop points, and fewer stop points create stable throughput. When takt becomes predictable, planners can commit to higher daily volumes and fixed cost per vehicle drops, enabling Tesla to hit price points competitors cannot reach. Automotive pricing is ultimately governed by takt time, not marketing spin. Every stamp panel replaced by a single casting removes an entire chain of operations: fixtures, sealants, robots, QC gates, all of it. With fewer welds, fewer measurements, and fewer failure points, quality stabilizes while throughput rises naturally. Compared with older methods, Model 2's architecture is designed around three major technologies that work together. First is 3D printed sand core fabrication. Engineers print complex hollow shapes from sand and place them into molds so that wiring channels, crash structures, and fluid passages are formed inside a single casting instead of being built from stacks of stamped parts. After casting, the sand is removed, leaving a precise monolithic structure that dramatically cuts welds and sealing steps. Second is a gigapress. Massive machines capable of producing large structural pieces in cycles of roughly 80 to 90 seconds. Each casting replaces dozens of stamping and welding operations and arrives with high precision, reducing distortion and minimizing downstream corrections. Third is Tesla's no-heat treatment alloy, which reaches its required strength immediately after controlled cooling. This allows the factory to eliminate furnaces, racks, heat-soaked queues, and huge square footage and hours of waiting associated with traditional alloys. Removing this entire thermal universe cuts transfer time, simplifies scheduling, and frees space that can be reused to replicate casting modules instead of expanding buildings. When these innovations combine, they reduce assembly steps and floor footprint by as much as 30 to 50%, depending on plant configuration. For Model 2, that means fewer choke points, lower energy use, steadier uptime, and a dramatically lower cost per vehicle. And because the bill of materials shrinks, the supply chain becomes simpler, vendor variation drops, rework falls, and the hourly rhythm of the line becomes predictable instead of fragile. Once throughput stabilizes, capacity can scale modularly, copy and paste rather than construct and pray, producing near-linear gains instead of hitting physical walls. This stability gives financial planners the confidence to commit to high daily output, which directly lowers fixed cost per unit and unlocks aggressive pricing that no competitor dependent on legacy architecture can match. The Model 2, therefore, turns a design philosophy into a street price reality by treating manufacturing architecture as a true lever of affordability. By shifting complexity into a few large castings, Tesla makes production line cleaner, faster, smoother, and cheaper, with fewer failure points and fewer interruptions. It is not about flashy performance claims or social media debates. It is about engineering a factory that runs with the consistency of a machine rather than the fragility of a compromise. Elon Musk's Model 2 represents the next step in Tesla's mission, reimagining how a car should be built so millions of people can access electric mobility without waiting weeks, paying premiums, or dealing with uncertain supply. This shift in manufacturing philosophy also redefines what ramp rate truly means for a mass-market EV. Instead of trying to push a fragile chain of tiny tasks faster, Tesla removes the chain itself, allowing Model 2's production line to behave like a smooth, uninterrupted flow, rather than a sequence of micro-operations waiting on each other. When a line has fewer links, the slowest station no longer drags the entire system down, and the plant can run at a rhythm that remains steady across shifts, weather changes, or worker variations. Every eliminated weld, every deleted measurement station, and every removed furnace queue is not just a technical win, but a stability win. Stability is the currency of high-volume automotive manufacturing, and Model 2 aims to convert that stability into cost reduction more effectively than any previous Tesla program. As the number of operational handoffs shrinks, cars spend less time waiting to be touched and more time moving forward. This is how Tesla can ultimately bring the buying experience closer to the world of consumer electronics. Choose your spec, get an instant VIN assignment, pick up the vehicle within a day or two, and never worry about production bottlenecks that traditionally plague automakers. The deeper truth is that Tesla is shifting complexity from the factory floor into the design of a few ultra-integrated structures that carry geometry, crash absorption, wiring channels, and fluid management all in one. When parts carry the complexity, the line does not have to. And when the line becomes simpler, affordability is no longer a dream or a marketing pitch. It becomes a predictable mathematical outcome of how the car is built. This is why Model 2 stands apart. Because its breakthrough is not a battery, a motor, or a digital feature, but a manufacturing architecture that allows price, speed, and quality to rise together instead of competing against each other. Be why anchoring the vehicle's affordability to factory physics rather than feature reductions. Tesla positions Model 2 as a product whose competitiveness strengthens over time instead of eroding. As casting module scale and takt time tightens naturally, each additional unit becomes cheaper to produce, giving Tesla a structural pricing advantage that rivals cannot easily copy without rebuilding their factories from the ground up. In this way, Model 2 transforms manufacturing innovation into long-term market dominance. Elon Musk and Tesla have drawn the world's attention to humanoid robots, investing billions because he believes demand will explode in the next 2 to 3 years. Optimus is being designed to handle a variety of practical tasks. Whether it's taking out the trash, preparing breakfast, cleaning, or other household chores, TeslaBot can do it. Previously, Tesla's main rival was Figure AI, but the landscape has expanded, with new humanoid robots emerging almost weekly. One of the most talked about is the Spang Iron robot from China, praised for its technology and affordability, and many see it as a serious global competitor. Despite this, Musk is confident that Optimus Gen 3 will surpass competitors because it can perform household and industrial tasks that Spang cannot. He believes Tesla's edge lies in practical capabilities like cooking, cleaning, and managing daily chores efficiently. Musk has emphasized that the scale of Optimus could surpass any consumer technology, potentially exceeding the impact of cell phones. The rise of robots raises questions about the future of work. Musk has suggested that AI and robots may replace many jobs, making work optional as humans rely on robots for essential tasks. While most new humanoid robots are still awkward or unpolished, TeslaBot stands out for its balance of design and functionality. Musk projects that Optimus would operate continuously, never needing breaks, and potentially transform the economy by reducing the need for humans to work merely to survive. Tesla plans to produce these robots on a massive scale, possibly making them more common than smartphones.